Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this 5-tier, 72-inch organization rack. Let's open it up and check it out. So this is everything in the box. Everything comes packaged really well. We've got our legs over here, the frame for our shelves, the actual shelves themselves. We've got some hardware, some instructions. I'm going to start putting all of this together and we're going to check it out. All right, so we're pretty much assembled. I just wanted to show you an alternative option. So if you don't want to do all 5 racks vertically 72 inches, you could actually split this into 2 and have 2 separate racks, exactly like you see here. 2 shelves on one side, 3 on the other. Maybe you've got a high shelf, a middle shelf, and then you can store stuff underneath, or maybe you need the rack and all of this space in here. I'm actually going to complete this into one big shelf, and then we're going to take another look at it. Ta-da! And just like that, now we've got ourselves a 72-inch 5-tier rack that is lightweight and portable, yet has a nice, solid, high weight capacity here. Don't try this at home, kids. Oh. But seriously, this thing is great. It assembles easily, whether you want 2 racks or 1, and it is pretty lightweight here. You could move this yourself, right? If you want to get nice and crafty. If you have a second pair of hands, it's gonna be even easier. So let's set this thing up and then see what the final thing looks like. Okay, so we got the rack in. This thing fits perfectly. Everything's nice and organized. Looks a lot better than it used to. Got the heavy stuff on the bottom, medium stuff in the middle. Got a nice spacing here on the top, which can handle some of the larger boxes and even some of my camping gear and accessories on top. But what's nice is I still have a little bit of a space on the left side here, so I can put home stuff in here, extra tile, wood scraps, what have you. So overall, this is a really nice rack. Goes together easy. It's lightweight. It's easy to move around, but it's got that nice weight capacity, and it just blends right into the garage. Looks great, works great, 10 out of 10, would do again.